Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study with joy step by step. Begin by picking one clear, exciting goal and write it where you can see it. Use focused 25-minute sessions and take short, playful breaks. Celebrate tiny wins with a small treat or stretch. Keep sessions varied, reading, practice, and review. Make your space inviting and consistent so your brain learns to switch into study mode. Create a simple plan that feels doable and kind to your energy. Prioritize tasks by importance and deadline, then slot them into short time blocks you can actually finish. Estimate how long each task will take and be honest with yourself. Build in small rewards like a 5-minute walk or a favorite snack after completion. Keep the plan flexible and joyful so it supports steady progress without pressure or burnout. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: bring cozy focus to your study space with a smart speaker like the Echo Dot, which sets timers, plays gentle background sounds, and eases transitions between sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for your support. Now let's get back to the video. Rotate methods to keep learning fresh and joyful. Explain concepts aloud, make quick flashcards, and test yourself regularly. Combine visuals, sounds, and simple movements to anchor memory and keep energy high. Teach a friend or an imaginary audience to clarify ideas and spot gaps. After each session, jot one thing you improved and one next step so each study time builds clear momentum and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.